Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the About Phone section. If developer mode is activated, the last section will be the developer options. Just tap on them, and to hide them, you should click only once on the swatcher. So now all of the options they are blocked, so let's go back. Oh, sorry. Let's go back to the settings and we can see that the developer options section is gone successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.